to my channel. So today we are doing a tutorial on this look. I kind of just fast forward through most of the face makeup, but it is mostly focused on the eye makeup and the lips and the spider situation. But if you are interested in the products that I use, I'll link them down below. You guys don't need those products. Use whatever you guys already have. That was my main goal for the Halloween looks of this year, but also this is low-key what I'm wearing for Halloween. Hopefully, if I have time. But yeah, guys, if you have any other questions, leave them down below. Also, make sure if I don't see your question like within a day, like comment again and ask me, because sometimes I don't get those notifications. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have you zoomed in. I already prepped my eyelids. So we're going to go ahead and do the eye look and the makeup first, and then we'll go into the Halloween stuff. I want to try to keep this short. I wasn't planning on filming this. This is actually going to be the makeup that I wear for our Halloween, if I have time to actually do it on myself. I was just going to practice it, but I figured I would just do a video for you guys. So I'm just going to be using the Androgyny palette just for a couple of transition shades, and I'm going to be using the Alamar Cosmetics Reina Caribe Volume 2 for the black shade that's in here. And again, this is not necessary, these are just the palettes that I grabbed, honestly. So I already primed, like I said, Kat Von D Prime and Correct, Airspun Translucent Powder, that's it. And then we're going to go into that Jeffree Star palette, and I'm just going to go into these two shades, I think, together, which are the shades Safe Word and Charm. And that's just going to be slightly our transition. I'm sorry if you hear cannoli. So originally, I was going to just do like one big spider and then like a bunch of spider eggs. That's what I originally saw. And I was like, ooh, yes. But then I was like, no. I want to have a spider coming out of my eye, and then I thought, why not a spider coming out of my mouth? And then I looked it up, and people have done it before. So if you want to see other people, I looked it up on Pinterest, and other people had done it on there. So there's that. I don't know if a lot of those links have tutorials. I honestly didn't check. But it was nice to honestly already have the idea, because I wasn't sure how it was going to look. So I'm just packing on that black. Again, this is the black from the Alamar Cosmetics palette. It's the color Caballeros. So I'm just going to pack on with one brush. And then I'm going to use another brush to blend it out. So basically we just want like a smoked out, and I might be popping contacts in, I'm not sure. We will see how this is looking. Well, you guys already know if I pop them in or not. So we're just building up that smoky eye, and you want to keep it kind of nice and round, because this is basically going to be the spider's body, kind of. Again, you guys already saw it. And I know this is a Halloween look, but you do want to prime your eyes, because you're probably going to wear this for a while, and you just want it to last you until you're ready to take it off. So I'm going to go into my Beauty Creations palette, the one that looks like this. I did a giveaway not too long ago. I have a giveaway going on right now. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I'll link it down below. And in that giveaway, I give away one of these as well as a bunch of other goodies. But I just want this brow bone highlight to be pretty white, pretty light. So I'm just going to load that on. And then, whoa, blend it out a little. And then we're just going to go back into the black. And you can basically blend this out as much as you want. I would say just blend it as much as, at least so where you can see it when your eyes open just a little bit. So if you set your face before putting on your mascara, you're going to want to go back in there and darken it up a little bit because it will get kind of like toned down a little bit. So once you have that done, you basically do the exact same thing on the other eye. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, but it's just going to be the exact same thing on this eye. You can add more white if you want to. I don't want too much of that transition color showing because, again, this is supposed to be like the body of the spider. So once you have that done, it should look something like this. So now all you have to do is go in and do your face makeup how you normally do your face makeup. You guys know that I go in with primer, foundation, concealer, then I set it all, and then I do blush and highlight and all that stuff. You can skip the blush and the highlight if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and do all my face like I normally do in all my other videos. That is it. I'll link it all down below, but it's the same thing that I do in all my other videos, so I just want to save you guys time on that, and so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as I'm setting my under eye and all that, I kind of want my skin to be more on the paley side, so what I'm going to do is set my whole face with that Airspun translucent powder, and then I'm just going to use the Loreal to kind of like bronze up the face a little, but I'm gonna try to keep it limited. So, okay guys, so I went ahead and I finished the rest of my face. I did the foundation, all that, and then for the highlight, I just used the two Airspun highlights. I used the little pinky one that's called Pink Me Up, and then I used the Snow Much Ice, which is like kind of an icy highlight, and then I just kind of laid that down. I didn't want it to look too like blushy pink. I wanted it to look icy pink. So now I'm just going in and darkening up the shadow again. So now we're going to go ahead and do the under eye. So in the under eye, I'm not going to do anything too crazy as far as transition. It's going to mostly be black. I am just going to lay down a little bit of transition just in case it needs help blending. So again, going into that Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, just dipping into Charm and Safe Word. So once I have that all done, I'm just going to go into the bottom waterline and line my lids with eyeliner, black eyeliner. You can do a color if you want, but I feel like black eyeliner would probably be best. And then I'm going to go in and set that black eyeliner with black eyeshadow. So just like that, super easy. So now that we have that done, I'm just going to go in and draw the legs of the spider. I'm going to try to go in lightly first, and then once I feel comfortable, I'll start darkening up and stuff like that. But you guys will see the process. I'm probably just not going to talk for it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with a nude lip liner, and we are just going to line our lips. And just like that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, I thought I had the lid on. I'm going to go in with the eyeliner and fill that in mostly only in the middle. And then we're just going to take a little definer brush and blend that. And if you feel like you need to add more of the nudie color, this is simple. You could just wipe off and then add more. So now to make sure we get that pretty black and that it stays black, I'm going to go in with my, I think this is Pretty Vulgar, the ink Blacklist. And I'm just going to grab some on a brush and So basically, once you have your lip looking however you'd like it to look, we're going to go ahead and draw the spider legs as well. Same thing on this side. Sorry if I get cut off a little bit. I'm going to try to hold my mirror. I have like 2 mirrors right here to try to, you know, do this. Okay, so we're gonna leave it about there. I feel like I want to do another little set of legs, but let's just pretend you can't see the legs. How about that? I don't want it to be too much red on the mouth. And then we're gonna do the same thing again with the liquid liner, just to give that a little bit more definition. Just like that. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and start adding some shading. So basically just adding a couple of white little spots anywhere on the spiders. So we'll start off with the eye spider up here. And now we're going to go ahead and add some shading. And that's really going to bring this up off the face in a way. And we're just going to go in with the same black, and I'm just going to use a pencil brush. I would suggest using the skinniest pencil brush, or even something like this, like a little lip brush. I think I'm going to go in with a lip brush. It's just a little bit thinner. And you kind of just want to leave a little bit of space. Oh, sorry if I turn orange, guys. Just like that. And I know at first it's gonna look weird, but once you have all your shading in, it'll look good, guys. You just really want to make sure that you're going in super lightly. So I think we're going to go in and we're going to add a little bit of a spider web, I don't know, somewhere here, and see how that goes. I feel like this looks good, but this side's like too plain. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Let's see where this takes us. Okay guys, so that is the completed look. I went ahead and I popped on just a little bit of glitter from this Too Faced Colourpop eyeliner. I didn't want it to look super glittery, I just wanted, like, I don't know, a little something. And I dabbed it a little bit on the eye as well. In the inner corner, I went in with the Blood Sugar palette, and I went in with the colors Blood Sugar and Cherry Soda, cherry soda, you guys. I need help reading, apparently. And then the contacts I did get at a party supply store, so I don't know where you guys could get them. Again, a party supply store, but I'm sure during Halloween time they have those Halloween stores and stuff like that. But yeah, I think that is all I did off camera. I'm just trying to think. I think that's it. So if you have any other questions, you can leave them down below. You guys, this is pretty simple and easy. I just feel like the shading was a little difficult because you just don't want it to look like a bunch of legs. But other than that, I feel like super easy look. Also, don't feel like you need to use the products that I use. Any eyeliner, any shadow, it'll work. I mean, you could even do this brown if you really wanted to. But yeah, if I have anything else that I need to say, I'll leave it in the description down below. I'll link everything that I use down below. Before you head out, just don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. They might need like a last minute little Halloween look. You never know. But that is it for me, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe next year I'll have more looks. I don't know. But if you haven't entered my October giveaway, don't forget to do so. It is open until October 31st. Okay, that's officially all for me. I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios!